Rebuilding takes time, but every step forward is a sign of strength. Take a deep breath in and exhale, letting go of any pressure to have all the answers right now. Imagine yourself as a tree that has weathered a great storm. Some branches may be broken, some leaves may be lost, but the roots remain strong, steady, growing deeper. With each breath, picture new leaves forming, strong branches reaching upward, sunlight filtering through. You are rebuilding, just like this tree. It may not happen all at once, but with patience and care, new growth will come. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, embrace the process, knowing that you have everything you need to begin again.